Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Corrie V and today we are going to be opening up a Frockbox box, but this is a special Frockbox. This is actually their Christmas gift box. They came out with actually two different versions of this gift box. The regular size was $199 plus $9 shipping, so pretty steep. And I didn't see this when it was on sale, but I guess they also came out with a gift box mini. I couldn't find out how much cheaper it was than the full box or really what the differences were. But yeah, I got the $199 one. Frockbox advertised this box as being a gift and something that contains unique, cozy, seasonal pieces. You get 6 items in the regular size box, and they really emphasized that it was going to be supporting Canadian local businesses. I think also, randomly, this is the first actual box I've gotten from Frockbox. Every other package from them has been a bag. And quick disclaimer, I'm not affiliated with Frockbox at all. I spent my own money on this. I live in Alberta, Canada, and that's also where Frockbox is out of. So I'm always super excited to try their services. Generally, if you don't know the brand, they are a fashion subscription box for Canadians. So I tried it out for a year if you want to check out that video. So let's go ahead and open up this box. The first item in the box is this giant, super long, super fuzzy cardigan. It is called the Teddy cardigan. On the little sheet they give you, it says it's by Frockbox, but the tag on the item itself says it's Sweet Lovely by Jen. And I got mine in a size 1XL. It's got 2 buttons, it's got some front pockets, and it has a hood. Super cozy. I'm not sure it's the most flattering length for me. You'll have to let me know if you think I can pull this off. I feel like a little shorter or completely full length might have been a little bit more flattering. But how cozy, I can definitely see myself wearing this a lot, especially because we're all working from home right now. I can also see myself wearing this like in fall and springtime where it's like too warm to wear a coat, cold enough that you still want to feel nice and bundled up and cozy. They say that this is a value of $100, which to me, honestly, it seems kind of steep. I'm not sure I would spend $100 on it. It's made in China. It's 95% polyester, so like it's cool and all, but like I'm not sure it's like a super high quality $100 item. But there we go. That is the first item. Everything else in the box came wrapped up in this cute tissue paper. So let's see what we got. The next item in the box are these super fuzzy slippers. You can definitely tell they're gearing you up to work from home. So they say these are ultra comfy, cozy faux fur slippers that feature a memory foam footbed and an indoor-outdoor sole. So I guess you could wear these outside too. Probably not going to be doing that in Alberta, but there you go. The brand is Malvados. And again, these are made in China. I got the size 7/8. And Frockbox knows my foot size is a wide 7. They really match that fuzzy robe. Those are $58 again. I'm the type of gal that goes down to Walmart to buy my slippers, so I can see myself buying $58 slippers, but maybe this box is just a little bit too bougie for me. The next item in the box is a face mask, and the face mask is actually reversible. Looks like it's a size medium, and this mask is also sourced from St. Albert here in Alberta, which is the same city that Frockbox is out of. So it's by Christine Hoskins. Coco and Bear Textiles is the brand. So make sure you give them a follow over on Instagram. She says she makes handmade gifts, blankets, bibs, face masks, aprons, and more. Care instructions are on the other side. It says hand wash if possible, machine wash on delicates, and then hang to dry. And even though it's a medium, it seems like a pretty nice size. They are adjustable. That's pretty cool, actually. Adjustable ear holes. And it's got a really thick wire up along the nose so that you can get it where you need it to go. That is the floral side. Let's flip it around. Oh, it's covered in makeup already. Here is the blue side. A really sweet, thoughtful gift. This thing retails for $12, and I think that's a pretty decent price for a handmade face mask. And the quality looks really nice. You can't put a filter in it, so that's a little bit too bad, and it does feel like just a 2-ply mask. Next, we have something from a brand called Maple and Rose. Looks like it's a Christmas ornament. So again, you can follow Maple and Rose on the internet, on Facebook, and on Instagram. Yes, it is a Christmas ornament. It says 2020, and all around the outside it says so that is adorable. On the little write-up, they say, "This sums up 2020 perfectly, doesn't it? Created by Jenny, a local Canadian mom who is a Red Seal journeyman carpenter." So that's awesome. That is so, so cute. What a great way to memorialize 2020. And this is $15, which is a great price. I love how when you turn it to the side, it like really gets that edge. Next thing is What Matters? Powerful family conversations for the dinner table and on the go. It's from the brand coachonthego.net, and it's just a stack of cards. The first one is beauty, which is great for this channel. Beauty. Beauty is different for every person. When you see beauty, you will feel an appreciation or sense of peace from within. And then the questions it asks is, what is beauty to you? Where do you see beauty in your days? On a scale of 1 to 10, how important is beauty to you? On the card, they don't specify that it's a Canadian brand, but I'm guessing it's probably a Canadian brand. And again, you can follow this brand on coach_on-the-go on Instagram. Personally, I'm not too jazzed about this. I'm not really big on like this type of thing, but I will definitely give it a try. Let's open it up and see what type of other questions they have. This might just be good for like open-ended like social media questions, like what is beauty, you know? We have beauty, loyalty, understanding, success, simplicity, recognition, nature, intelligence, gratitude, fairness, contentment, so on and so on. And I guess when you're not using them, you just store them in the little pouch here. This is a $42 item though, which $42 is like the cost of some board games. So I think that's pretty steep. I'm not sure I would pay $40 for this. Probably really good for me to like do this type of exercise. But yeah, it's pretty steep. You guys have to let me know. Is that really steep? Am I crazy? I think like if I was gonna consider buying it, it would have to be like $20. But I'm gonna be open-minded and give it a try. All right, and there's 2 things left here. Next we have an item from, it says Pilgrim. Looks like some jewelry. Oh, cool. Alright, it says 2 in a set. I think it's a set of necklaces. It looks like Pilgrim is out of Denmark, and this retails for 59 Canadian dollars. Pretty expensive. I have been dying to get some necklaces that I can wear like stacked together, so I'm pretty excited. And this is a Frockbox shirt. I feel like it would go perfectly with the Frockbox shirt and my wedding ring. It says their jewelry is handmade, designed in Denmark, made on a base of either brass or zinc, plated with real gold or silver. You can check them out at pilgrimjewelry.ca. The first one is this like thicker chain, and it's a beautiful detailed chain. It is also adjustable in length. So I'm gonna do this one kind of long. And then the second one is just incredibly delicate little chain with some like balls, as well as just the link. I love this detail where the pattern of the main chain doesn't end. Once you get to the adjustable part, it keeps going all the way to the end. So pretty. Oh, I really like that a lot. I'm definitely gonna check out this brand, and I don't buy a lot of jewelry, so like I have no idea if $60 is a good price. I'm still wearing jewelry I got from my FabFitFun box back when I unboxed that like 2 years ago. So I don't know, it seems very lovely. And there's one last thing in the box. It is a gift card, and I'm not sure if they want me doing this, but it's just a generic gift card. You can use the code $GIFT in free clothing. So this gift card expires on January 31st. It's valid towards any subscription at frockbox.ca. Again, it's not my code, I'm not affiliated with them, but if you're Canadian, I think they only ship in Canada here. Let's spread the love and joy. As you can see from the gift box, Frockbox is huge on supporting local Canadian brands, and they are one of them. That is my Frockbox gift box haul. Let me know what you thought of it. The total it added up to is $286 plus the $50 in free clothing styling discount, which I'm not going to include in the total because you'd have to spend money to really take advantage of it. But yeah, I spent $200. I do think 3 of the items are kind of like overpriced a little bit, especially that cardigan, the slippers, and I think those coaching cards might have been a little expensive. But overall, I think it's a nice mix. I think my favorite item of the box is just this. How precious. Yeah, that's it from me, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you give this a thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more beauty content from me. I put out new beauty videos every Tuesday and Friday. I would love for you to join me. You can also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and I stream on Twitch sometimes. A huge shout out to my patrons who help make these videos possible. Part of the funding of this channel is crowdfunded, so thank you guys so much for your ongoing support. Even in these difficult times, it really means a lot to me. I also want to shout out Lee for pushing me to like go crazy with the eyeshadow today. You guys will have to let me know what you think about this look. Do I just look like Mimi from the Drew Carey Show? Style icon. But that's it. I will see you all in my next beauty video. Bye!